Hi, today this video goes out to everybody out there, homeowners, architects and contractors. Listen up, today we'll be showcasing our brand new aluminium windows. You get to see different types of windows, starting with the thermal brick sliding aluminium window that is perfect for balconies and living room. We'll show you outdoor windows, indoor windows, casement windows and specialized kitchen windows. But that's not all. We'll take a close look at the internal frames, hardware, special features, and even stylish flowing ceiling windows. Next up, I will introduce to you the hottest window trends from all over the world. Different sizes, different materials. We got everything that you need for your unique style. And here's something exciting, a cutting-edge technology we're bringing to you, a window soundproofing test. You see a decibel analysis on the screen before and after opening the window. If you have any concerns about insulation, noise reduction, security, or customization options with aluminum windows, drop a comment on the comment section and I will guide you step by step. In addition, we would love you to visit our showroom, where I can show you even more about our latest advancement in windows and doors. Don't forget to share with your friends and spread the knowledge about building material.